I want to share something interesting about the workshops. See, there are two types of yoga teachers. One is yoga teacher who is undergoing through yoga teacher training program or just completed. Now, the second yoga category is they are teaching, they have some 20 students. Now, for both the category of teachers, what is importance of workshop? See, please understand, without conducting workshops, it is impossible to grow. Impossible. I'll tell you the importance of workshops for new yoga teachers. You are a new yoga teacher or you are going to finish very soon. Now listen carefully. The society don't know that you have learnt yoga. Many of your friends and relatives know if your name is Aparna, they know you as Aparna. They don't know that you have learnt yoga. They don't know that you love yoga. So, what to do? So, you have to tell them that you are a yoga teacher. This is one point number one. Now, point number two, they should know that you have a very, very good knowledge. Now, third thing is you should tell the society how powerful yoga is. See, when you go to sweet shops, what happens? They show you the taste of the sweet and they sell the sweet to you. You go to any ice cream shop, they show you the taste of different ice creams and they sell you. Example, ice cream shop. They show you 10 types of tastes. So, similarly, as a new yoga teacher, it is mandatory for you to conduct workshops. It's a mandatory must. If you don't conduct workshops, success is ruled out, impossible. See, great coaches in India, if you look at the most powerful coaches, they conduct workshops every week. They conduct workshop for 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. I'll discuss more details why they conduct workshops. Now, as a fresh yoga teacher, you have to conduct workshops. Suppose you invite 100 people, you conduct a workshop, they're impressed. They're impressed. What happens? So they will join for your regular classes. Suppose you conduct workshop for 100 people, say about simple yoga for beginners, simple yoga for stress relief. 100 people join. So they see you. Hey, wow, nicely she's teaching. Second thing they say, wow, yoga is powerful. So out of 100 people, 20, 30 people will join. Suppose you charge 1500 rupees per month yoga classes. So out of 100, 20 people will pay you 1500 on the spot. That means 30,000 rupees you can collect on the spot. Normally, it's impossible to collect money. So conducting workshop, inviting people in the workshop, you announce about your classes and you can attract them and you can collect money. You know, some coaches, they conduct small workshops, say 99 rupees. So they invite 1000 people. I've seen one coach, I forgot his name. He collected 30 lakh rupees in one day. How? Inviting people to workshop and they impress the students. They make the students feel that, yes, this coach is a powerful coach. And then they take more money. Same thing you can also do. So this is for fresh yoga teachers. Om Namah Shivaya. Now, the next point, most of the yoga teachers conduct workshop, but they don't know how to conduct workshop efficiently, effectively. This is possible when you conduct workshops, parallelly you attend workshops. Say, for example, you attend pranayama workshop of 4 teachers. Then what happens? You will get confidence to conduct workshop. Say you attend my meditation classes 10 times, you get a confidence how to conduct meditation workshop. So if you want to conduct, say, 10 workshops, I'm telling you, at least you should attend 40 workshops. You will, when you attend workshop, you get a knowledge how to conduct workshop. Please understand this one. Because see, what I'm saying, many teachers are finishing teacher training course in Bodhi, but some of them are not teaching because they say, I'm not getting students. From where will you get students? Invite them for workshops. See, there are two types of workshops again, free workshops, paid workshops. If you are a talented fellow, you have a corporate experience, you are working in corporate world, many people know, then you charge some 200 rupees, something like that. For example, you are a homemaker, you must start with free workshops. So please remember, You have to conduct workshops, attend workshops. Both have to happen parallelly. Remember, if suppose 1,000 people you invite, 50 people will join your workshops. You invite 10 people, only one person will join. So you have to do lot of legwork to invite people to come to your workshop. So 1,000 people invited, 50 people come. You invite 2,000 people, 100 people will join to the workshop. No, you have to impress that 100. And then on the spot, after finishing workshop, you can collect 50,000 rupees. If you are smart, how to be smart, how to collect money on the last workshop, you have to learn that from the seniors. Om Namah Shivaya. So in the next video, I'm going to share more details about workshop. Om Namah Shivaya.